Use your own judgment when it comes to sell-by dates. This used by the 18th of October, reduced from 2.88 to 72p. I'll just show you when I bought it. Look at that. 3.75 down to 10p. 2 lots of cheese, steak and kidney pies, a few more windfalls, bread, olives from the deli counter, those will be lovely, 50p, and some toffee apple pork sausages down to 63p, new, we'll try those. So today is the 27th of October and I'm still using it. So use your own judgment when you're buying these things. Just because it's got a sell-by date on it doesn't mean to say that it won't keep. And talking about keeping, in here I've got some dried coconut. I actually went on the internet to see how you do it. 4 months ago I bought a coconut reduced to 10p. And I didn't eat it all. So I went on the internet and I thought, well, how do you dry it? And I dried it. It did take a while, but I've added it to some tropical fruits granola. This one's actually from Aldi, but they do sell it at Lidl as well, and it's £1.39. It works out at about 10p a serving, but I've just keep adding extra granola to it. And I'll show you what I make with that granola that's saved me, I can't tell you how much money over the years. So this money saving tip, I can't tell you how much money it saved me over the years. An empty plastic carton. This is actually some granola. I'm just going to pop some granola in there. I've got some roasted peanuts. Just a few left in that packet, so I'll pop those in. I've got a few of those sunflower seeds. A bit noisy. I'll pop those in. And let's see what else we've got. I've got some pumpkin seeds. Put a few of those in. Give them a stir. Pop your spoon in, lid on, and I call this a grab and go. So if you're going out for the day and you haven't got time to make a sandwich or something like that, you can grab your little box, take it with you, because how many times are we hungry when we go out and we think, oh, I'll just nip in for this, and you end up spending quite a lot more money than you intended to. So take this with you. If you've got some milk, you can always take some milk with you. There's nothing, I actually eat this with nothing on it, and of course I've got my flask of coffee or my flask of herb tea to take with me. So that's a really useful little tip.